This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Facebook got up to almost the 220 level in July of 2018 and sold off during the Cambridge Analytica scandal, dropping to the 120s. Finally returned to the prior high in January 2020 and looked poised to break out when the pandemic hit. And that event dropped the stock almost all the way back to the 2018 low. Recovered in this V-shaped pattern, returning to resistance for the third time in May when it broke out, consolidated for about 5 or 6 weeks, and then took off in this very strong rally impulse that mounted the 300 level at the end of August, and that's where the all-time high is. Stock then rolled over into this descending triangle pattern during the 2020 elections, posting horizontal support and slightly lower highs. But it broke out of the pattern in March after announcing that its moratorium on political advertising was ending. Now, this is a very good development. There's been an uptick in buying interest, and the stock got up within just a few points of the August high before starting to pull back. Now, it's tested new support successfully so far. The test isn't quite done, and that new support is right down to about the 278, 279 level. And as long as that level is held, I think we're on track for a test of this level and a potential breakout that gets the stock up around the 400 level. Now, looking down at stochastics, and this is a weekly stochastics, we have a buy cycle. Well, if we go back to the monthly stochastics, we also have a bullish crossover just in the last couple of weeks. So we have both the monthly and the weekly stochastics giving us buy cycles. That, along with a solid price pattern and also very strong accumulation, it seems to make Facebook just in a perfect position to finally break out and move well above the 300.